Are you tired of swiping up every time on TikTok? What if I told you there's a way to make TikTok scroll automatically hands-free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable auto scroll on TikTok within a few minutes. So if today is your first time coming across this video, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when a helpful content like this is uploaded through this channel. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Open your TikTok application. Then, long press on the first video, which will show until these icons pop up. Now, scroll to your right a bit and tap on this icon, which is the auto scroll hidden feature on TikTok, which you might not know. After tapping on it, this will show at the top right corner of your phone screen, reminding you that the auto scroll feature is enabled. Now, after enable it, you don't need to scroll up and to watch videos on TikTok again. But all you need is to wait for a video to finish playing, and it will automatically scroll and play the next video. Please, if you have watched the video to this far, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell notification. Comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.